Hey friends, if you encounter this error, system restore is disabled by your system administrator in Windows 11, then please watch this video. Now there are two cases to it. The first case is that your system is managed by a company or an organization by a server, and in that case you will have to contact the IT administrator of your company or your organization because you do not have the right to make the changes. The next situation is that you have gotten this laptop from your company and you're not a part of the organization anymore, so you wish to apply your own policies. In this case, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side, scroll down, select recovery, click on reset PC, select remove everything, and let it go through. Now finally select cloud download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.